Hello, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dom. Today I've got the pleasure of showing you around what must be one of the nicest Ford Fiesta ST lines on the market. Now, we know this vehicle very well. It's actually one of our employees' cars. So Alex, who takes our photographs and does the videos, this is his vehicle. He bought it direct from Ford. It boasts a full Ford service history. It was just serviced at Ford a few months ago. This vehicle has a genuine factory Mountune kit as well, so bigger brake horsepower, and it's got a few nice visual additions as well. So this is the ST2, finished in Panther Black, which is one of the best colours. We've got LED daytime running lights, we've got front fogs, but then on top of all that, we've got a KMS front splitter. So KMS, they specialise in fast Fords. So nice gloss black front splitter. Looking down the side then, we've got Team Eco wind deflectors. Bodywork wise, Alex was a valeter, so paintwork, bodywork, absolutely superb. All four alloys, they're in nice order. They're shot in nice matching tyres, very chunky tyres. Good brand as well. Coming through to the back, we've got the ST Mountune Performance badge on the back there. In Alex's ownership, he's actually put a Mountune, a Milltek sports exhaust, back box exhaust. Not too loud, not obnoxious. It just gives it that nice little grumble when you're giving it the beans. Inside then, just to give you an idea of the type of owner Alex was, he's got a seat protector for the driver's seat, which is always nice to see. Then we've got the Mountune boot protector as well, which is a nice thing as well. Just shows you Alex was a bit OCD. We've got our parcel shelf there. Looking down the passenger side, absolutely superb. No signs of any dents, no scratches. Black cars, they do tend to be a little bit tricky to look after, but this one is superb. Now, hats off to Alex and his seat protector. Driver seat is in fantastic order. So looking at the bolster, looking at the seat base, that's all in very nice order. Looking through to the back then, we've got Isofix in the bottom. We've got Mountune Performance tailored floor mats. Quite a nice feature. And then jumping inside, nice low mileage. It's only covered 31,949 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. Now, this vehicle for safety is fitted with a ghost immobiliser. So obviously you can't start, well, you can start the car, but you can't drive off without using, inputting a private code. We've got our trip computer, we've obviously got full DAB radio, Bluetooth phone, music streaming, heated front screen, heated front seats, climate control with aircon, obviously 6-speed manual transmission, AUX, USB, 12-volt power outlet, central cup holders. It's got everything that you get in these lovely ST2s. Now, the vehicle, Alex is a non-smoker, doesn't buy smoked-in vehicles, so doesn't smell of any pets, doesn't have any weird odors. Just a very nice car. So if you'd like any further information on this vehicle, give us a call, send us an email. Our phone number 01942 231123, or you can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. Thanks for watching.